Make a great choice today with the 2019
BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry,
Navigation system, power tailgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth,
dual airbags, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.